shore. And it's raining. Thankfully I'm Filipino, so I'm so prepared. I have my umbrella, but I'm still getting wet. This is where they filmed the Jurassic Park sad episode. I mean sad portion. It's really sad. Na, 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 na. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Now, andito na kami. We're here now in Kaneohe sandbar. Sandbar. Say hello to the captain. Hello, captain of the boat. Hello, hello. Hello. Anchor down. Oh my God, I hope I won't fall down. It's so pretty here. Look. No, there's no sun. But you can touch the bottom. We can go swimming here. And look at that. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Nice. Go follow Tito Norton. Woo! It's okay, Gab. Get off. No, Gab, you can get off. You go first. So now I'm actually literally in the water. And the water is only like towards waist deep. And you can swim and then you can just walk. Too bad we don't have any barbecue pit. And that side is what? Kaneohe? Yes. This is Kaneohe Bay. Kahalu. There's a lot of people here. So look at that. So beautiful. That's my brother's little boat and my son. Oh my God. And it's raining. Oh, this is so much fun. I wish I have like a professional film thingy person to do it, because it's hard to swim and anyway, I'm just kinda happy that I'm here. I'm out with the boys. I'll see you guys later. But then sayonara. I'll see you guys later.